What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investment and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 19.387, down 0.8 on the day. Sitting in market cap of 369 billion, 24-hour volume 26.05 billion. If you're new to BitGet, you can sign up and receive up to $8,000 in bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, you receive free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's pop into the charts. So not very interesting price action over the last few days, but we are squeezing. We do have a little bit of a bullish divergence, lower low, higher low. If I pop over to this chart here, you can see we are squeezing within this symmetrical triangle, descending triangle. We're coming very, very close to the apex here. So you have about, let's see here till we reach, if we were to just continue to consolidate and trade sideways, October 29th, October 28th, 29th, you would squeeze right into that apex and would be forced to make a move. We are seeing extremely low trading volume. So the next move, once we do start to break out, do expect it to be quite volatile, whether it's to the upside or the downside. Do expect quite a volatile move as trading volume has been extremely low. And we're continuing to squeeze within this pattern. So do expect a volatile move once we do break out here. We are still seeing relative strength increasing here, but technically we have been creating higher lows. So if you want to take a breakout trade, just wait for it to break out, backtest as support, or break down, backtest, and then you could take your short or long position based on that breakout. Just of course be careful of fake outs. Now if we look at our Elliott wave count here with our ending diagonal, a 1 into a 2, looking to come down in a 3 to about 18,096. If we were to zoom in here and try to micro count, you could definitely look at a potential 1 into a 2. Let me just open this up here. I'm gonna do a quick measurement. Yeah, potentially you could be looking at a 1 into a 2. This is your wave 3, wave 4. So it would be something like this: wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 down, wave 4, final wave 5, and now you're looking to push up in a wave 2 pullback. Now micro counting can be inaccurate, as I mentioned here, but what you can do is take your fib retracement. If this were to be the top of the wave 1 to the bottom of the wave 5, and you'd be looking for a retracement in between 19.3 and 19.5K for a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside. But as I mentioned here, micro counting can be inaccurate. But as of right now, it does look like we're potentially coming down in a wave C, and we've come down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in a 3, 4, 5. And the extremely bearish count is an impulsive move to the downside here that I've been showing you guys, where your wave 3 would take you down to about 16.1K. Wave 4, final wave 5 to complete the wave 3, which is here in blue. What we're looking at here is all of this was a wave 4 pullback, and you're looking to come down in a wave 5 to 11 to 13K. Definitely still on the table here, but there definitely is potential for this to be an ending diagonal into a wave 5. Now if we look at the DXY, we've had a throwback from our double top pattern, so just look for a potential triple top. If that resistance is broken, then we can push all the way back up to the top of the channel, about 115, and that's when you will see the price of Bitcoin continue to fall. So just watch to see if we hit resistance here and create a triple top pattern. I think within the next week or so we will see a breakout of this pattern here, and do expect the move to be quite volatile in my opinion. Now if we were to break out to the upside, measure the body, take it to the point of breakout, could take you all the way up here to about 26.1K, and the breakdown target would bring you all the way down to about 13.5. And you can see here there is not a lot of support in this area, so it would be a pretty swift drop in my opinion to 11 to 13K. Personally, I would love to see that happen so I can get all my positions at cheaper prices, but we'll have to see what happens here for our friend BTC. That's it for this one. Sign up to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, and you will receive free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, take profits, as well as my analysis. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.